Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you two different ways on propagating a cactus. The first one is removing the pups and the second one is making a cutting from the stem. The propagation of a cactus can be a dangerous thing, but it's very easy. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. As first step, it is very important to clean your pruning scissors with some rubbing alcohol. Put on thick gloves so that the spikes cannot go through. This plant has formed 3 offshoots. To remove these pups from the plant, grab them with your fingers and slowly turn them to one side. Because this cactus was also growing long and to one side, I make a cutting by using the pruning scissors and completely cut through the stem. Sorry that my hand was in the way. Oops. For the second cutting, you can see how I cut through the stem. You can put the plant away on the spot it was before. Put the cuttings on a windowsill for a few weeks to dry and form callus. After the cuttings have dried, you can place the cuttings in pots with wet potting soil. Make a hole in the soil for maximum contact of the cutting. Make sure to wear thick gloves when picking up the cuttings. A month after putting the cuttings in the pot, you can check if they have formed roots. If they are stuck to the pot, just leave them, otherwise you will damage the tiny roots. Also on the mother plant, new offshoots have formed. Thank you for watching this video on the propagation of a cactus. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!